Hi everyone, it's Rachel Way. I'm coming to you with the lovely Loretta.
Hi.
I've been prompted to do, I'm going to come and stand here. I've been prompted to do this live video to show people how my healing works and how I can help people who've got pain, whether that's physical or emotional pain. And this is like one huge step because this is me like doing a live video for. This is also a huge step for Loretta because she's going live for me as well. A live video on how I work. And it's a big step because it's me putting myself out there in quite a big way. I'm attuned to Reiki. A lot of you know that I use sound in my healing as well, but I also use a lot of very intuitive work that until now I haven't shown people live because I've been like, well, are people ready to see that? What will people think? But now I'm just trusting that the right people need to see this, will watch this, will appreciate this, and just see the power of how Reiki and healing can really help people to release their pain, whether that's physical, whether that's emotional, release their blocks and things like that. So I'm really grateful to Loretta for being here today. I'm just going to have a quick chat with her so you know we can find out where her pain is, and we're just going to see how this works, how I just work extremely intuitively. So I just work literally how I'm guided to work. So you're going to maybe hear some sounds. You're going to maybe see me working around Loretta. I might not be touching, I might be touching, I might be moving her. We're just going to see. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll speak to you all afterwards. So, sorry, Loretta, you were saying about your pain.
Yep.
Where are you feeling it at the moment? What's it like
so
for you?
at the minute I've got quite a lot of pain in my hands and my lower limbs up to my elbows on both hands.
Okay.
And I've also got quite a bit of pain around the left side of my ribs and to my back.
Okay, right, okay.
My feet are a little bit sore as well.
So I'm just going to start, and we're just going to see, what happens. Oh, you can't see me. I have to bend down. I might have to bend down. Okay. All right, so just take some nice deep breaths for me. I'll kneel down here like this. Okay. So anything comes up, just feel free to say what you're noticing.
Feel relaxed.
Yeah. It's like releasing.
Yeah, that feels really nice.
Yeah. Around there.
A nice stretch.
Okay.
Feels a little bit tingly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Almost like a shiver.
Is it going down your arm?
It's down my arm, but it's also around the back of my head.
Okay.
Top of my back.
Okay.
Yeah, it feels like a real shiver. It's nice. The whole body feels a little bit tingly now.
Wow. I can feel your body really like softening. Don't know if you can feel it.
Yeah, definitely. I feel like Mr. Soft.
If you feel like you need to lean forward, just go for it. Yeah? So it's releasing in your feet?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job you've got that pillow there.
Yeah. It's very, very comfortable, this.
Yeah.
And it's not a position I would usually
No,
sit in.
you've gone in it in a very soft way.
It feels a lovely stretch on my back.
Yeah. So that been tight?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, I can feel a real tingling now down my spine.
Okay.
Oh. It's making the hairs on my head stand on end.
Okay. If you need me to stop at any point, just say that. I'm just going to
Okay.
carry on.
Oh, that feels really
So
good.
yeah, so it's like the tightness
Yeah,
is coming from here.
I can feel that
Yeah.
really in my throat.
Okay, so it's
Well,
unblocking your throat.
yeah.
Okay, okay. That's why you had to bend forwards.
Unusually, I would
Yeah.
be able to let you do that because of the pain.
Okay, and is it okay?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
no pain. It feels quite numb.
Okay, alright.
I hope people can hear me under here.
I have no idea who's watching. If anybody can hear, we're just going with what's happening. So you feel like it's if you need to cough or anything, feel free. It's
Okay.
coming out of your throat. You okay?
Yeah, I feel like it feels like it's moving my bones around.
So if you're watching this and wondering why I'm making sounds, they're helping to unblock as well. So they just enhance, unblock any breakages, any blockages.
And I have given you permission to hit me.
Yeah. What are you feeling?
I feel like I've got a really big lump in my throat.
Okay.
Like I need to swallow deeper.
Swallow, okay. Or do you feel like it needs to like come out of the throat?
Yeah.
Okay. Just take your time.
I feel that on my lower back there. My lower
Yeah.
back was feeling.
Down there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, you alright? That's it. Okay. Well done. You need to sit back
Feels a
up.
bit
Just
like
sit back
I'm
up.
burping.
Say that again.
Feels a bit like I'm burping.
Yeah, this has happened to me in many treatments. I mean, I've got stuff that's blocked that needs to come out. I burp.
I don't
And
want to
it's-
be sick.
No,
but,
okay.
Yeah, I can feel it.
You can
like
feel
as,
it.
as a burp.
Okay, well, if you don't want to burp
Excuse me.
live on Facebook, don't feel like you have
Excuse
to.
me.
But it's just blocked energy, it's blocked stuff that's coming out just to be released. So it's,
I think I might sit up.
yeah, sit back up is probably
Mhm.
enough. Okay? Just take some deep breaths for me.
Mm.
Okay?
Yeah. my back feels very, very relaxed, whereas it would usually be quite tense.
Yeah. Okay, I think for right now, that's enough for you.
Okay.
Don't want to overdo it. So just take some nice deep breaths for me. Okay. So anything in particular? I'm just noticing it looks a lot. What are you noticing?
I feel very peaceful and calm.
Okay.
Almost, I suppose, a little bit serene.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my hands, actually, even though that was only a short session, do feel already that there is not as much tension in them.
Fab. Yeah.
And I had some pain in this right wrist before I came in.
Yeah.
And that doesn't feel half as bad.
Okay.
I could actually feel it beforehand, and I can.
Yeah.
And my legs feel quite nice and tingly.
Yeah. Good. A lot of softness coming from here as
Yeah.
well. So, yeah, just see. I'm going to stop the
feel
video
a lot
now.
calmer.
You feel calmer.
Yeah.
Okay. There was some stuff that we helped to just kind of rub in your back.
Yeah.
Just help shifted what was blocked here. That's just sort of
Coming out.
Yeah. Fantastic.
No, it's lovely. Very, very definitely recommend.
Thank you. So that was if you've got any questions, anything you want to know what was going on, then just pop some questions in the comments below and I will get back to you. I've also put a link on Hop here. If this is something you think, oh God, I could do with some of that, then my link to my booking page is on there as well. So there's a great deal on there at the moment, so do have a look at that. And thank you for watching. Thank you for letting me share this with you. And I'm going to do a few more of these as well because I enjoy them and I think they're needed. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.